Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to redeem a Capitec top-up voucher on HollywoodBets. Let's get started. Before you can redeem a voucher, you first need to purchase one. You must do this using the official Capitec Bank mobile app. Start by opening the App Store on your mobile device. This is the Google Play Store for Android phones, or the Apple App Store for iPhones. Search for Capitec Bank, and ensure you download the official application published by the bank itself. Once the app is installed, open it and log in securely using your personal credentials, which are your client number and your remote PIN. After logging in, you will land on the app's home screen. At the bottom of the screen, you will see a navigation menu. You need to tap on the option that says Transact. This will open up a new screen with all the different transaction types you can perform. On the Transact screen, look through the list of services. You are searching for the option labeled Buy Prepaid. This is the section where you can purchase airtime, data, electricity, and various prepaid vouchers. Tap on Buy Prepaid to proceed. You will now see a very long list of all the different prepaid products and services available. You need to scroll carefully through this list until you find Hollywood Voucher. It might be listed under entertainment, betting, or simply in alphabetical order. Once you locate Hollywood Voucher, tap on it to select it as the product you wish to buy. Now, you will be prompted to enter the details of your purchase. First, type in the exact amount of money you want to load onto the voucher. Next, you must enter the mobile phone number where you want to receive the voucher code. It is extremely important to double-check that this mobile number is correct, as this is where the code will be sent. After entering the amount and your mobile number, the app will ask you to choose your payment method. You can select to pay directly from your Capitec account or use a card linked to your profile. Choose your preferred option. You will then see a final summary screen showing the voucher amount, the recipient number, and the total fee. Review every single detail on this screen for accuracy. To finalize the purchase, you need to confirm and authorize the payment. The app will ask for your remote PIN again, or it may prompt you to use your fingerprint or facial recognition if you have that feature set up. Complete this step. Once authorized, tap the Pay or Buy button. The transaction will process, and you should receive an SMS or an email within seconds containing your unique Hollywood voucher code. Do not close the app until you receive this confirmation. Now, with your voucher code ready, the next step is to log into your HollywoodBets account. You can do this by opening the HollywoodBets website in your web browser or launching the HollywoodBets mobile app on your phone. Enter your username and password to access your account dashboard. Navigate to the Deposit or Top-Up section. Look for a button or menu option labeled Deposit, Load Funds, Top-Up, or something similar. Click on this option to proceed to the funding methods. Within the Deposit section, look for and select the option specifically for redeeming a voucher. A field will appear asking for your voucher code. Carefully type in the full code you receive from Capitec. It's crucial to enter the code exactly as it appears, including any letters and numbers. Double-check for any errors before clicking the button to confirm or redeem. The system will validate the code. If it's correct, the voucher amount will be instantly credited to your HollywoodBets account balance. You will see a confirmation on your screen, and you can now use this balance to place bets.